University.
Hustlers University.
Hustlers University.
Want to learn about Hustlers University? There's a bunch of rooms to go into, and those rooms have millionaire professors.
You are taught by millionaires that answer your questions.
They give you everything on a silver platter.
It may be impossible to not make money if you follow what they say.
Not only having contact with actual multi-millionaires, being part of a community of students.
We all help each other.
It's a community.
People that are there for you.
We're all in there for one thing, and that's to make money.
I've already made my money back after the first day.
I've made 5K this month from just joining. That's fucking crazy.
I made 4K in my first month.
I made $2,000 in 2 weeks at 15.
I just made that fucking $20,000 in crypto, so fucking cheers.
All in all, I made about $3,000.
My goal was to match my 9-to-5 income. I shattered that by 5 times.
I will have days where I make $2,000 or $3,000, and that's like what I used to make in a month.
It's what allowed me to quit my job.
Such a feeling of purpose and fulfillment.
It's pure freedom, it's great. You know, just go on holiday when I want.
In this call, I made 30 grand alone. What am I doing with the money now? What am I supposed to do now?
You are finally in the right place at the right time. You are the only person who can make this work, and you're also the only person who can fuck this up. I say this all the time. Hustlers University is the greatest thing that exists on the face of the planet for people who are trying to escape the matrix. I will show you how, but you still have to do the work. And if you only exist amongst the money, you're gonna end up with some money. Welcome to Hustlers University.
Because I made the most money I had made.